After BTS Jin, J-Hope is the second member of the group who will be discharged from the military. RM, Suga, Jimin, V, Jungkook will be discharged next year. There are several K-pop artists who entered the military last year. Now as their 18 months of service will end soon, they are set to get discharged from the military. BTS J-Hope and GOT7's Jin are serving in the military. Monsta X member Minhyuk was discharged from the military on October 3. He served under the 5th Infantry Division Recruit Training Center in Yeoncheon County of Gyeonggi Province. After BTS Jin, J-Hope is the second member of the group who will be discharged from the South Korean military. Last month, J-Hope took to Weverse mark the 30-day countdown to his military discharge. J-Hope began by writing in Korean as translated by an army on X. 1 month exactly, 30 days left to go. All the time flew by, but I am already reminiscing about it. I guess I grew pretty fond of everything here. I have been packing, giving away some of my gear I came to cherish, and my locker is starting to look a bit empty. He further wrote alongside his mirror selfie, and that's when the feeling really starts to sink in. I look back and it all comes flooding back. Those early days when I was nervous and tense and didn't know what I know now, that everything would be just fine. Even the sound of the locker screeching open was triggering. These days I look at the new recruits who are just starting out and I can read their minds. It reminds me a bit of myself, so I find it a kind of cute, shy. He is scheduled to return on October 17. Following Jin and J-Hope, RM, Suga, Jimin, Taeyong and Jungkook are set to get discharged in June next year. GOT7's JB entered the South Korean military service on February 2, 2023. He is expected to complete his military service and get discharged by November 1st. As per the Korea Herald, GOT7's Jin entered the military service on May 8, 2023, over 3 months after JB. Jin will finish his service and then get discharged on November 7. A few days ago, Jin attended the wedding of his younger sister Sooyoung. Before that, Jin along with Blackpink's Jisoo and NCT's Doyoung reunited over a meal with the staff of Inkigayo. The next K-pop idol is winner Seungyoon. Seungyoon started his military duties on June 20, 2023. He will end his military duties on December 19. The last K-pop idol is winner's Mino. Mino joined the military service in March last year. He is scheduled to complete his duties and get discharged on December 23. So these are the K-pop idols who are already discharged or going to be discharged from military service really soon. If you are a BTS ARMY or fan of any of these K-pop idols, you can tell me that how much excited you are for their return by commenting Purple Heart in the comment section. And if you want this kind of and all other kind of Korean content, like and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload a new video on my channel. Till then, annyeong everyone.